In today's video, you're going to be learning what I call a formula on how to get $500 to $1,000 per order with high-ticket dropshipping using Google product listing advertising. My name is Pepe and I help people to escape their 9-to-5 job and achieve true mind, time and financial freedom with their own profitable business. I'll be sprinkling golden nuggets throughout this video with so much good content, like a course in itself. What's going on, guys? I just want to give you guys just a quick update in regards to one of our high-ticket dropshipping stores using Google product listing advertising. Just to give you, just quickly reload, see if any more sales come through. We just keep reloading. I'm so happy with the results that me and my team has got from, without using Facebook ads, without AliExpress, without all the stress that comes along with low ticket, and having to use the old Facebook ads with all the algorithm changing and the cost per click increasing and just all this bidding war and stuff. We're not even needed to do that, okay? Look, okay, we've got 16 people on our store. At least one of these are hopefully going to buy. Let's quickly refresh this. Beautiful. Come on. It's beautiful, to see. Look, this is our biggest day ever. I did speak to someone that said, look, we're literally about to hit $10,000 and we're literally $11,797. So just to give you an idea, people are looking for you when you understand how to use Google Shopping. All right, people are actually looking for the product. You've got to place the product right in front of them. Now, let's talk about, even $1,000 a day. I don't know what that could do for you. Maybe it's quit your 9-to-5 job and achieve freedom on your own terms, have more security, financial security over your finances and your loved ones, and just provide more freedom for yourself as well as your family. Never have to be stressed out with a job and, and all this debt maybe you have to pay off, right? Well, this can help you. Look, the reality is this: everyone out there, they're trying and they're busting their arse off trying to work for somebody else. Look, $1,000 a day can do a lot for a lot of people. I want you to imagine making $1,000, just 2 orders, $1,000. So I'm going to go through a Google Shopping campaign with you. There's several ads here paused. Some obviously are live, the ones actually making money and stuff. Some of them are paused. I'm going to go through this in terms of the terminology of what this means. Probably another video, but as you can see here, 1,298 clicks, okay, 84,491 impressions, 1.54% CTR, 0.63 cents average CPC, which is cost per click, $822.35 in cost, conversion 27 conversion, and you can see the conversion value 4,348 and 80 cents. I'm going to go through a bit of the presentation, understand this formula, and then we're actually going to go into the details. So literally take notes, and it's definitely going to be cool. S basically stands for standing out. You want to stand out in Google placements, okay? So how can you stand out? Well, you can stand out with your copy, story, benefit driven. What I see a lot of our competitors, because we do high ticket dropshipping, is that we see a lot of features, or we see just sell. You want to be different. Does that make sense? You want to stand out in the marketplace. So different ways to stand out is like your branding, the way you position yourself in the ads. So instead of features, talk about benefits, maybe put a story in there. So there's different ways to stand out. H, high end. Remember, this is a high ticket, so you need to think of the customer in mind, high end. The P stands for professional. You want to be professional at all times. What that means is no countdown timers, no this scarcity, or there's only 500 left, or that's it, it'll be gone forever. You don't see that in high ticket stores, okay? Our stores, we don't have any scarcities whatsoever. So when it comes to low ticket, it's absolutely fine, When it comes to high end, we're talking about a different type of customer in mind. They're not wanting to buy low ticket products. They're actually there to buy a high ticket, so they've got money to invest. All right, so you need to be professional with this. V stands for value. You want to be able to generate a value. So how can you add value? Like bundle in maybe like an ebook or some kind of PDF or some kind of guide that helps them with the actual product that they've just purchased, whatever it is. B is be like them. Think of them in their own shoes. So who are they? What do they want? Think of a high-end type customer. Don't think of the low-ticket product customers, okay? Talk high-ticket customers. What do they want? How can you be like them? How can you create emotion? How can you create copy that drives their emotion to say, you know, I want this and stuff. So G, have guts. And so you need to have guts to be able to approach these suppliers and, you know, fill out the application forms and then provide them your website and stuff. All right, so it's $20 talking hamster. A bath vanity is the type of products we like to sell. We type high-end home decor type products, because the reality is that, you know, I'm going to show you in a minute, but the bath vanity sell for $2,816. Now the reality is that Google Shopping, which I'm going to go through in a minute, that in itself is can be expensive with lower end product. That's why we always go with high ticket products with Google Shopping. With Facebook ads, you know, I advise is you never go high end. So you never go over the, you know, 300, 600 or whatever dollars on Facebook ads. It's a completely different ball game. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go into the search bar. Okay, on the right hand side, you want to basically put here high ticket dropshipping niches. That's the first thing you want to do. Why? You want to see the top niches out there. Okay, so there's so many different websites, and let's just go with a couple of these. So Niche Hacks is a really cool website. Free ethical high ticket niche you can make a lot of money of. Let's go into this one. And then you've got discover these passion. So basically go through this and then pick a niche. Okay, so in this case I've actually picked a bath vanity, and you know, you're able to sell them other type products where you can upsell them. Okay, so that's another thing which is quite important. So let's quickly go through this website. So I'm going to put a bath vanity into this little search query in a minute, but let's, oops, I literally had my alarm on. Sorry guys, 1 second. As you can see, I'm trying to be productive with my time, you know. So the types of niches I reveal are expensive. I warn you. Income reports. Okay, washing machines. These are high ticket products, right? That's one of them. So it's at 1,000. Laptops, no, I wouldn't even go there. Watches, probably not either. So these type of products are the type of products I advise to try sell. Why? Because the margin is really good. So I'm going to put in bath vanity. As you can see, you go to a website called usearch from, then put in bath vanity, or just put in a keyword based around what you found in Google, okay, of the most popular and high ticket dropshipping niches. So what you see here, if I just bring this over here, what you're looking at right now is basically placements. Now, on the right hand side, you can see £549. You can see £595. Okay, I'm in the UK, but you know, translate this into dollars. You got 699 here. But what you want to do, okay, what you want to do is go over to shopping. Okay, this is called Google Shopping. Okay, it's Google PLAS. It's product listing advertising. So essentially, what you see here is that other companies have, you know, listed their products. You know, they're high end. Look, £549 is what, maybe, I don't know, is it $900 or whatever? So as you can see here, look, £489. So imagine you trying to sell this, you know, and trying to beat this competitor. So for example, Victorian Plum is very well known here in the UK. So what you can do, there's all these sellers here. You can actually go into the sellers and you actually see the types of products that other products they're selling, and then you can actually go and look at, you know, where they're actually finding the product. Look, bath vanity right here. Like, I can put in, say, 1,000. Let's just say I'm gonna put in £5,000. Okay, I'm gonna press enter. £11,000, £18,000 items. Now I wouldn't advise going this much because, you know, it's a lot of money, right? So I'm going to show you an AliExpress version, but the reality is I wouldn't advise AliExpress when it comes to high ticket. Anything over the $300 on AliExpress is very dangerous when it comes to, like, any refunds and stuff. So even 1,000, let's just say 1,000. Obviously I've typed it in already. As you can see the query, you can see 1,468, you know, Turnbull and Thomas, you know. So we can put another thing, we could just put in here home decor. Okay, and then that's basically another type of very high-end type niche in the home decor as well. And these are low ticket, but if I go over here and just put in £1,000, now you're going to see, you know, £1,000 type products in the home decor niche. You can see here smart living. Look at this one, £3,000, £2,000, 3,000. Okay, so the whole idea is to understand this. This is Google Shopping, okay? So look, I put home decor, right? But look, on the right hand side, you've got several different ads and stuff. So your ads can come right here, okay? Your ads can literally go here. So the query that you're gonna basically have customers go through is things like, you know, where can I buy a bath vanity, or yeah, bath vanity. Let's just see if that comes up here. Then you want to be, your goal is to be there, okay? That adds the value. Like I said, you know, be professional, stand out, all that stuff. Look, where can I buy a bath vanity? Who comes up? A bunch of different ads. That's where you want to be on. So we understand, you know, it's all keyword driven and stuff like that. And you know, it's buying intent keywords compared to like Facebook ads. For example, Facebook is very, how can I put it? It's like, you know, you're going up to a girl and asking her to go marry you or go in bed with you. That's kind of how it is when it's cold traffic. They don't know you, you're just going up to her. This is warm traffic. Hey, can I have your number? That's the difference, all right? So as you can see here, we've got Wayfair. Wayfair is a very big company and they have a bunch of different type of products in it, and actually a lot of high ticket products in here. You obviously got Sears as well, but what you want to look at is here. You can see Hoos.com bath vanity. Okay, what you can then do, shop for home, shop for business, go shop for home. This could be your store. You could be selling this, and I don't advise like so many different niches and high ticket space. Go with maybe 3 or 4. Okay, so one could be, for example, kitchen and dining. Big market there. You've got obviously, you know, the bath vanity, you know, vanity baths and stuff. Because reality is, if someone wanted to remodel their bathroom, they're gonna need something like that to be able to buy. So this could be your type of site. This is not difficult to create. My actual team creates high ticket stores like this as well. They're custom. So shop by department, and then what you want to look at is like look for products, and then look at if there's any sign of manufacturers. Okay, Slimline, this is £214. Let's just click into this. Spain. Okay, let's have a look. Have a question about this product. Product description, 2 drawer, product specification. There you go. Boom. There is a manufacturer, Alexandra House Dessen. Let's click into it. You can see Alexandra House Dessen. So this is basically a lot of other products that they have. Okay, and then what you can do is actually look at high ticket products here, contact them and say, hey, you know what, but first thing, you want to have a very professional site before you go and contact these guys. Okay, do not have any scarcity or anything like that. I don't advise that. You want to be professional. Like I said, you want to be able to add these products into your store before you reach out to say, hey, you know, I've got your products in my store, hey, go check it out. You know, I would like to sell these products on my store. You know, can you approve me and stuff? Normally it's an application process. You have to go through an application process and stuff, but the reality is this is where the money is made. Okay, it's very simple maths. Like, if you know, if you want to sell, say, a $500, let's say you want to make, let me just do a simple maths for you. Let's say you want to make 1k in one day. Yeah, well, all you need is 2 items. 500 times 2. All you need, guys, is $500 to sell product times 2 products a day to sell, you know, to make 1k. Now if you were to do it the other way around, where you're needing to put money into advertisement, obviously you got to take that in consideration and other fees as well, but the reality is high ticket dropshipping is way more profitable than low ticket. So hopefully that has got your eyes, you know, really thinking, hey, you know, I really want to get into this, or you know what, let's go over to AliExpress, or you know what, you're gonna stick with the low ticket. Let's go to AliExpress and let's have a look at a couple of AliExpress ones. So I'm gonna put into here, put like bath vanity. Look, as soon as I put bath vanity, you can see here AliExpress $435, $200 here. So you can see here it's $1,000. Look, that's not even worth you even trying to sell that. So let's just quickly go through the problems of a low ticket business model. You need to sell lots of units, right? So let's say you want to make $1,000 a day. Well, you need to sell 50 items at $20. That then basically requires a lot of traffic and a lot more investment, which we're going to get into. Less margins to play and scale with, way more stress, more customers, and too much competition. More traffic, like I said, lots of chargebacks and refunds that a lot of the gurus are not talking to you about. A lot of time in testing to be profitable, more money involved. You need to be very skillful in copywriting, you know, in terms of conversions and data analytics and stuff like that. Ultimately, less revenue, less profits, and less of a lifestyle freedom business. The benefits of a high ticket business model, though, is more money, right? So you want to make $1,000 a day? Well, sell 2 items at $500. Bigger margins to play and scale with. let's quickly go through a couple of numbers which we're going to get into a bit more, but sell 100 units at $50 product at 25% margin equals 1,250, right? Sell 100 units times $500 product at a 25% margin, same thing, equals 12,500. Very different, right? Customers find value in high ticket items. Less stress, less customers, less chargebacks and refunds, less time and test to be profitable. Ultimately, more revenue, more profits, and a lifestyle freedom business that you can actually help other people, give back, and completely transform you and your family's life. Simple numbers, right? Cheap AliExpress gadget item, say you want to make $6,000, profit per sale, say is $10, right? Sales, you need about 600 a month. That's 20,000 visitors a month. That's a lot of money invested in traffic just to even make that kind of money, right? High-end USA unique office desk, $6,000 is your monthly goal. $600 profit per sale. Only 10 units needed a month in order to make $6,000 with only 200 visitors. You can see the difference from 20,000 visitors to 200 visitors. Now, Facebook, traffic temperature is cold, meaning no one's looking for your product on Facebook. You are interrupting someone's thought patterns based on, so many different psychology movements and a lot of positioning and a lot of angles and stuff like that, which, a lot of people just do not know how to do, which is, look, it's really difficult. It's not easy for a complete beginner. A lot of time involved in testing, like a crazy scientist, right? So spending way more than you have to. You've got to understand the metrics and the analytics, data science. Basically, you've got to understand your science, right? When it comes to the metrics behind the numbers. You could lose a lot of money in testing. Now, Google product listing advertising, the traffic temperature is warm, meaning people are looking for your product on Google. It's a search-based marketing, less time involved to test, invest less in Facebook ads, quicker to find a winner, and scale with profitability. Now, it's your choice. Continue to sell cheap AliExpress items, low-value items with low margins, high return rates, high chargeback rates, slow shipping times with crazy competition. Or number two, be among the first dropshippers to leverage high-ticket products. Build yourself a real brand that you can show your family and be proud of. Build yourself a real name while offering valuable products that helps people with full integrity. If you want to help people and you contribute to helping other people and transform you and your family's life, well, the first option is definitely not the option you want to go for, okay? Look, if you want to build a long-term, sustainable, reliable business so you can achieve financial freedom and secure it for you and your family, then here's what I've got for you, okay? But my question for you, though, you may be thinking, how do you learn how to source, advertise, sell, manage, and scale a high-ticket business and really get ahead? Well, do it yourself. Step one, make the switch. Step two, get lost in all the information overload by going to Google, which is step three. Forums, blogs, videos on YouTube, outdated, right? Step four, strategic mistakes. Step five, overpay. And step six, get demotivated. Time-consuming, expensive, risky. Get left behind and ultimately really hard to achieve the financial freedom for you and your family that you desperately want. Here's what I've got for you. Serious action takers, hard workers, join us in the family.